All right. So, I lost the um, drawing tool for a second. We play in A minor here. We end up getting this box here. All right. The A minor falls within this box. The tripentatonic box, G root, G-shaped root, C-shaped fourth, D-shaped fifth. Alright, so it's G-shaped root, and C-shaped fourth, and D-shaped fifth. And then you get notice we took it down a minor third from the from the root, the mother key. You should go up one pentatonic scale letter from A minor and you get to C. The point is the box is bigger because of the D5, the fifth of that box. And that happens on piano. Kind of F is right there, but D you have to kind of go down for it. So when we look at the A minor, the A minor Dorian shaped A minor, whatever, particularly, we can bar it. If we bar it, we're just hitting these certain notes. I want to get over here to the Dorian fretboard, okay? So the 2, 4, 6 is right here. It's right underneath what we were doing before. Okay. But here's the where did it go? The A minor shaped one. It's actually 6, 2, 4 for the Dorian. A minor shaped. So if I bar on the 6 here and go like this, do an A minor shape. Now we're doing A minor shape, not E minor shape. Okay. The notes that I'm playing here are 6, 2, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay. But really in that box, as we defined it before, and this is where the other chart's a little better because I have to zoom out to get that box there. It's in the G box there. Okay, so it's in the G box. Let's get a different color so it'll show. So this is the box that it's in. It's just that G's written up here, but that pertains to this box because it spans the length of this box. I can tell the boxes. If we bar here, right, we're going to play those, but we start hitting notes out here. We're going to do an A minor here. If I got the A minor or E minor shape wrong before, I'm sorry. I'm kind of out of it today. I kind of have a cold or something, but I want to teach this. It shouldn't be too bad. So there's our fingered chord. All right, and then you got this what arpeggio are we playing here? We're playing like 6, 2, 6, 2, 4, 6. That's a whole bunch of 6s. Okay, and the action note is the 2. This is actually an A minor shapes D minor. Alright, or it's supposed to be. Because if you just play your fingered notes there, the fingered notes, it's a second inversion D minor. Alright, that's what it is. But if you bar it, you know, it takes on a little bit different quality, doesn't it? Because now you got the root qualities down here, but you don't have the fourth supporting it. The barred sound is, you know, didn't we just do that arpeggio? So there's a difference. So that doesn't mean you give up and say, I can't use chords anymore. It just means that you want to know what you're playing when you play a chord. 2, 4, 6 right here is a root. This is second inversion. So that's useful. So the whole top half has some tonality to it. So maybe just the top 4 strings. Something like that. I like to pluck all 6 of them. Excuse me. So it pays to know what's going on the top 3 strings here. Is a root shape. Let's look. Let's start the arpeggio from this D. Root shape, 1 note per string, root shape into root shape. It's easy as pie. Root to root, and in between you have first inversion, you have second inversion, and then root again. So it goes root, first inversion, second inversion, root. You know, so now this does go out of that cage. It doesn't mean we're lost entirely. You know, I mean, if you want to play an arpeggio, you play it from the note that arpeggio starts at. So, starting on the 2 would be that second one. I messed that up. Oh, I forgot to go straight up from the relative 5th, which is A, to the D. Now, little staircase up there, because a minor third to a major third, but they're both warped over, these guys. Right? They're warped over. You know what they could be like, right? Watch this. Now, look at the similarity of these 3 notes to these 3 notes. You got the same thing going on. 2 to 4 to 6. 2 to 4 to 6. Exactly. The only difference is that up here there's a tuning warp that moves everything over this way. Okay, just like that. Everything gets moved over that way. Okay? So we'll move it back, because we moved it back, we'll move it back that way. It's gonna go the way the arrows go. So they're moved up. So this shortens this interval here. You have this nice little